Good morning, besties. How are you all doing? My voice is so I just woke up from bed. This is after 5. Okay, I'm making a puff for my kids. Okay, for their pack lunch. Okay, I got one water here. This is the yeast I use. Sugar is not up to half cup. Okay. Just a room temperature milk. I'm using nutmeg as a flavor. So this is a cup of flour. This is the second cup. This is the third one. So I'm using 3 cups of flour. So this is it. Okay, at this point I'm going to use my hand, okay, to mix it very well. My hands are clean. They're all clean. Okay, this is the consistency you're looking for. It's not too thick, so this is what we are looking for. Okay, to rest for some few minutes. Okay, so I'm on the gas now. I'm going to add my vegetable oil. You don't want to put little oil so that your pop-up don't look as if you're doing pan frying. Okay, so this one too is even small for me, but I think I'm okay with it. So I even finished my jar, which is almost 950 ml. Yeah, 950 ml. Okay. Alright, our oil is ready. Okay, you don't want it to be too hot. Okay, so this is our puff. You can see some bubbles coming up. Okay, it's because I'm looking at the time so that they don't go to school without taking their pack. So, but it's still fine. You can see the bubbles. At least I got some few bubbles. So we are going to start now. My hands are clean. Okay. So this is our puff. Look how beautiful they look. Okay, so mostly when you do puff, first you on the heater, which is maybe not too high. The highest, okay, but mine I got to 9p is the highest, but I did it 8. Then I've not added the puff. So after that I know that the oil is very hot. Okay, I now reduce it to 7 before adding the puff. So as I'm adding the puff, I have to increase it to 8. But the more the puff-puff goes in, the puff-puff is not hot, so washes the dough. The more I put more of the dough in, okay, it makes the oil to not to be too heated. Okay, so I have to increase the heat to 8 so that everything will balance. I love it, and the shape not too bad, perfect. It's not too big, okay, and not so much funny shapes there. Okay. Our puff-puff is ready. Okay, look at it. Got our puff-puff. I'm going to put the last one. Okay, that will be off camera. So this is the last one. So I'm giving you a sneak peek of what they will take with the puff-puff. Either you take this, or you take this, or you take this. Okay, these are yogurt. Okay, so the biscuit, some people love this. Party rings and Maryland minis or jammy dojos. So push of them, you can pair it like this. Okay, and with their puff-puff off, they go to school. Alright, so sometimes they don't even want the yogurt, sometimes they don't want, they just want only the puff-puff. So that's what I give to my kids when they go to school for their packed lunch, when I'm doing puff-puff. So it varies, it changes. Okay, but today I'm going to give them like this. So this is it now. I'm going to take them off. They are ready. So some of the puff-puff I might pour some sugar, which is icing sugar on it. Okay, sometimes I do pop it and put some what do they call it? What is that chocolate? No, that's spreading chocolate. Okay, but sometimes I do put Nutella inside so it will look like a donut. Okay, so this is it. But I don't have Nutella, so I'm going to use the sugar. Anyone that wants it, I will use the sugar for them, which is the icing sugar. Alright. Wow, did you see? This is so fluffy. My God. Okay. Alright. What do you see?
It's really good.
Good. Okay.
Like always.
Alright. So I'm going to try this one for the ones that are going on. Okay. They love sweetie thing. Okay, so this is it. I'll put it in their snack bag or their packed lunch box. So this is it. So please don't forget to like, share and comment. I hope your today is beautiful. Good morning once again. Alright, more strength to do your morning duty this morning. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.